Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Greek salad dressing, easy method. Combine 3 parts olive oil with 1 part lemon juice or red wine vinegar. Add minced garlic, dried oregano, salt, and pepper, then whisk until slightly emulsified. Taste and adjust acidity or salt to preference. Use immediately or chill for flavors to meld. This method is fast, forgiving, and ideal for salads, bowls, and marinades when you want fresh Mediterranean. Gather your ingredients: extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice or red wine vinegar, dried oregano, garlic, salt, and pepper. Measure roughly 3 times as much oil as acid for a balanced texture. If you prefer tangier dressing, add a splash more acid and taste. Optionally, add a pinch of sugar or a teaspoon of Dijon mustard to help emulsify. Keep everything at room temperature for easier blending and smoother texture. Use a mason jar and shaking method or whisk in a bowl for best results. Start with oil and acid, then add garlic and herbs. Shake or whisk until the dressing thickens slightly. If separation occurs, shake again right before serving. Adjust salt and lemon in small steps. A tiny pinch can transform the flavor. Store leftover dressing in the fridge for up to a week and bring to room temperature before using for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.